Alright guys, how are you guys doing today? We are here again concerning the state of the nation. As we speak, as you and I know that we don't know where Tinubu dey. Is nowhere to be found. Some say they France, some say they other place, they here. Regardless of wherever or any location where our president dey right now, we should be focusing on the insecurity that is currently eating us up right now in Nigeria. But I have this man, Christ, that would like to take us through what is happening, the collaboration between Nigeria and France, and the consequences that might possibly happen prospectively. Let's listen to this.
Nigeria, wake up. Let's ask ourselves, why a country like Niger, Mali, Burkina Faso chasing France out of their land? Then our own president accepted them in Nigeria through the back door. No, we will not accept it. The damage when the British do to us as a Nigeria, Chevron, till now, we are still suffering from it. We have never recovered from those things. And today, Tinubu have the right to go to France and start making friends with France President Emmanuel Macron. You think those people, there is anything good that will come out from France? Nothing good will come out from France. The only thing that France will offer us as a country is to give us an emperor, somebody that will rule this country for 40 years. That is what France does. They will bring a constitution that will favor the president, the House of Reps, and the senators. Why? Because of power tussle. Now, all the things when the Western world needs to survive in terms of technology, everything is in Africa. In fact, everything is in Nigeria. The way we be say that they need fuel 20 years back up to date to take survive. Now so they need those things from us now. And we will be that they collect from. They don't value us. Now let this be known. If we don't wake up and demand the truth about our oil, our land, our sovereignty, we all wake up one day and realize Nigeria is no longer Nigeria. See, we are not a democracy. We are a quiet invasion. And if we don't stand now, our children will grow up speaking English under French control. Mark this date. We must demand no foreign troops, no hidden alliance, no secret contracts. This one not be activist talk. This one is survival talk for me and you to wake up. The world is playing chess on our back. We should not allow them to checkmate us. That is what I have to say for now. Who have an ear, let him hear. If you think you have the money to travel out of this country and live a better life, no place you will ever go. You will ever go and feel like home. No place you will ever go that will be like a place where you were born. That will be like a place like Nigeria. Wherever you go, there's no place like home. So we must stand to face the challenges. We must stand to ask our government, or else, hey, what is coming for us is bigger than us. If we don't want to experience what happened in Gabon, make it happen to us, you need to pay attention to this information I'm about to share. Now, what happened to Gabon? Omar Bongo was a president of Gabon, where he ruled for 42 years with the help of all these France. Now, France was meeting with Omar Bongo, which is the president of Gabon, and he make him understand, say, if you give us access to your oil and your mineral resources, in return, we will back you up with our soldiers. Then we will help you to ring your election. You don't even need people's vote, so you remain power as an emperor. And make them understand, say, they'll give her property in France, like oil company in France, and other big property, where people no foreigner go fit investigator. So they will protect those property for them. As long as he keep on with their own part of the deal. Now so Omar Bongo come to become the emperor of Gabon with the help of France. So even when the man die, when he come on, he so take over the leadership. That is the era with the goal. Meeting with France, bringing France investors to Nigeria is not a good headway for us. At the end of it, when they happen to Gabon, now we can experience for Nigeria if we are not careful. You see that deal when Tinubu not finished with France, when he be Lagos State Governor 1999, that the deal now they start so. Now why you see say when Tinubu resume office, the first place where I travel to now France. Why? Because France don't promise to give her backup to make her become an emperor to Nigeria. So not surprised say big will come to make Tinubu become a life president. Because anything that has to do with politics, every move is a signal. See Elon Musk, when he followed Donald Trump, he don't do follow America, begin raise voice. We not like the way they follow with president. The way they always stay close to president, we not like her. They protest. So why will not fit come out? Ask Tinubu, make her explain to us in relationship with France. Because from history, France has never been a good people. Any country where France made friend with, see am, now grant that country they go. Now suffer that they go. France don't get anything good to offer Nigeria. So going to France, now to favor France. If you think say France coming to Nigeria, it go boost the economy. Why not boost the economy of Gabon? Where this Gabon still remain one of the poorest countries as we speak today. So may we know it who they do. But you, where the APC supporter, we not say make Tinubu come out to, but what you just want is to make it quite explain relationship with France. Because normal, if any president they travel to any country, he must talk what he want go that country go do. The relationship, the development, where we make a go that country go do. Not be this closed door meeting. After this closed door meeting, they seal and they sign Nigeria, we're on our own. Later, may not be after 20 years. Will they come back? Because they don't say, who signed this deal? The deal that they signed now, everybody is watching. Everybody is looking. Nobody is talking. So this now, we need to talk. Whether Nigeria they sink, you know, because I France, so France will have to come collect the things. When shares still remain, now France they come for. If you are not careful, at the end of it, now like this, now we will suffer. This suffer is not going to affect Tinubu and his family. Even the traditional ruler, all those people not going to affect them. Now me and you will not get anything. Now we go affect and our children. So if we not talk now, we will not talk again. Nigeria now they shout, may we divide, may we divide. They don't already divide us. Where do they divide again? Now we they lie to. Now we they separate. Now we they carry oil. Now we they see make they fight ourselves. If division is not part of the Western plan, why be say before they make us become Nigeria, they don't divide us? Because they don't say united we stand, divided we fall. So what are we? Why are we deceiving ourselves? We don't want divide. Now division now go solve this problem. All we need to unite. You see this perspective when the Western don't set to run. Now those things they bring us down. That's why I say even the politicians that they use them against us. Because these same people I go tell us say now outside the rule, now Yoruba the rule. But when they want increase for it, waiting go favor them, when not go favor us. They know they tell us say if Boma go buy for a social amount, outside go buy social amount, Yoruba go buy social amount. No, they put us together. When they want to deal with us, they deal with us together. But when we want rise to fight against these people, they will not bring the division inside our brain. Now that go tell you say there is power in unity. If unity was not a problem, why that way they hold us as slaves that they use padlock? They padlock our mouth. Because they not say they open the mouth. If all of us discuss together, we can challenge them, we can take over power from there. Now why they lock our mouth? So that mentality of let's divide, it will never take Nigeria out of here we are. Why be say if these politicians, if that they can pay, local government will be safe for their life, they never ever enter. When road not there to go, they go take boats. They go that place, go to the grassroots of that local government. Go introduce themselves to those local government. Say, I'm coming to become your governor. Vote for me. I will give you people bridge. I will unite you people together. Why did they do it? Because they know the power of unity. Where we unite as a nation, as a citizen, as a youth, and face this government, I bet you, we will always succeed. So before we go to talk about division, may we first talk about unity. Because now when we unite, we feel come to agreement. Say, okay, we won't divide. If we feel to divide, now through war, the time they fight Biafra war, Nigeria for divide. There are things I need to bring to you people notice. These things we need to know. Now, back in 1937, under the leadership of Bernard Eribodino as a governor of Nigeria then. So, Bodilo look at Nigeria. He could discover so many resources. Oh yeah. And many other mineral resources where we say, only one of it alone go make Nigeria become world power. So those things enter pretty high. Now, the British colonies now think within themselves how they fit steal these mineral resources from us. Without we fighting them, Henry Bernard Bodilo now come to conclusion. You know what this man do? He now call share the Aki. Now be the present day share in our land today. Now Bodilo now gave share the Aki the exclusive right over our oil. And when share the Aki look, we get enough oil and enough resources on this land. Shediaki go answer question say, this offer where you give me, what of if these people later come back to come fight him and collect this contract from her? So what he go do? He say, me not worry. Now what did the guy do? The guy have to divide us into 4 political zones. Now, anytime these people want unite together and say they won't fight them, but because of this division, they will never see themselves as one. Why? Because this share go come out, he go meet outside, he go discuss deal with them, outside go tell them what they want. He go meet Igbo go tell them, go meet Yoruba, go tell them. Now why they say at times, which thing you want to talk? When outside go ever agree with you, when we say, till today, till tomorrow, we dey within ourselves, with a drag power, the state will go rule, the state will not go rule. Yoruba man go say, Igbo no fit rule. Igbo go say, Hausa no fit rule there. Hausa go say, Ijoma no fit rule there. Ijo go say, Port Harcourt no fit rule there. This man put this perspective down where we say, till today, till tomorrow, where we say, we no fit unite as one. That's why it say, the empire, where body on set, since there through share, see day to existence. So this is how Shediaki matriculate Nigeria. Where we say till today, we will never fit stand as one. Except if we get the mindset to come think say let's stand as one to fight these people, or else we go remain where we did. So that is just the truth. So we must unite to fight out this government and get accountability from the one we are hoping on.
All right, I don't know what you think about that particular video, but if you check the title, Nigerians, think, and think again. Thank you. This is Nigeria Watch Media. We don't have much to say, but join us every day, 7 p.m. Nigerian time. Let's continue to talk about the things that are affecting you and I. Like our videos, share our videos, subscribe to our channel. Take care and bye for now.